A very good morning to all of you. This is Kirti ma'am and today's lecture for class 9th maths. In this session I am going to solve some examples of chapter first real number. So here the first example is shows that x to the power a minus b bracket a plus b and second x b minus c bracket b plus c x c minus a c plus a is equals to 1. In my last video I had explained some laws of exponent which are first, second, third, fourth, and these law of exponent. I am using these law of exponent to solving the given example. Now first of all I am going to write these example as x a minus b a plus b x a minus b b minus c b plus c and x c minus a c plus a. Take LHS. After that, now applying the rule a minus b a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So then such that x a square minus b square, this is x b square minus c square and x c square minus a square. Now using the exponent which are xa and xb is equals to xa plus b. Here the base are equal, then the powers are get add with each other. So in this expression the base are equal, so we can adding all the powers of x. So hence a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now a square and this is minus a square get eliminated because having a opposite sign. Similarly b square and b square eliminate and c square and c square eliminate. Now the power of x is 0. So we know that x to the power 0 is 1. Then the value of x to the power 0 is 1. So which is equals to the RHS. Now we have to prove that the solution. Now starting a second example which are x to the power a upon x to the power b whole 1 upon ab multiplied with x to the power b upon x to the power c whole 1 upon bc multiplied with x to the power c upon x to the power a whole 1 upon ca is equals to 1. So first of all, taking this left side expression as a LHS, x to the power a upon x to the power b upon 1 upon ab, x to the power b upon x to the power c upon 1 upon bc, x to the power c upon x to the power a upon 1 upon ca. Now in this expression I am using a same second law of exponent which are a to the power p whole q is equals to a to the power p and q. Then applying a to the power p whole q is equals to a to the power p and q. Then such that x is a into 1 upon ab upon xb into 1 upon ab. Now xb into 1 upon bc and xc into 1 upon bc, xc into 1 upon ca upon xa into 1 upon ca. Then such that a and a eliminate, b and b get eliminate, b and b get c and c, and this is c and c and a and a. Now we have to get x to the power 1 upon b upon x to the power 1 upon a multiplied x to the power 1 upon c upon x to the power 1 upon b, x to the power 1 upon a and x to the power 1 upon c. So the x upon 1 upon b and x upon 1 upon b is similar, which are eliminate. X upon 1 upon a and x upon 1 upon a also eliminated, and x upon 1 upon c and x upon 1 upon c is going to eliminate. Now we have only 1, so which is equals to the RHS. Then we can say that it is also equals to the RHS. Now we have to prove that the example. So this is the solution of second example and this is the first example. Thank you.